What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Naruto. Okay, so today we are going to draw Naruto from Naruto Shippuden. As you can see on the screen, these are the materials we are going to use for this tutorial, and basically the most important tools are an HB2 pencil and a black color pencil. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it bigger if you want. Just make sure to use suitable paper size. So without further ado, let's get to it. First, we are going to draw some guidelines. We'll use those guidelines to help us draw the eyes later on. Next, we are going to draw the shape of Naruto's face. Now we'll indicate his headband. And next we are going to draw the eyes. So as you can see, Naruto's eyes are shaped like a parallelogram. We are going to start by drawing the eyelashes, the ones on top, and then the ones on the bottom. Next we are going to draw the eyebrow. As you can see, it gets thicker towards the edge. We'll add some wrinkle and draw the iris. And then the pupil. We're going to do the same process for the left side. As you can see, I'm using the guidelines to keep the same proportions, the same symmetry, and doing the same process. Awesome, next we are going to draw the most difficult part, the nose. And we are done. Simply draw 2 commas. Next step will be drawing the mouth, and again you can use the guidelines, the borders. Next we can draw the famous fox whiskers on Naruto's face. That's 3 on each side. Now we can draw the neck just by drawing 2 lines, 2 curved lines. And we'll draw his sideburns. And then we can draw the ears. So first we are going to draw the shape of the ears, and only after we'll add the details. Next we are going to refine the headband. And we'll move on to draw the hair. We'll start with 3 spikes on each side from the front. And then using the guideline, we'll draw the rest of Naruto's spikes. Now I drew the hair a bit too big, so I fixed it later on. So if you want to skip to that part, do it right now. Awesome, next we'll draw Naruto's hair from the back. We'll get rid of all the unnecessary guidelines. And now we can draw Naruto's plaque. So the plaque will be in a similar shape like the headband. And we'll draw 3 bolts on each side, basically 3 circles. Next we are going to draw the Leaf Village symbol right in the middle by using these next steps. And we'll give it some thickness. Awesome, next we'll draw Naruto's collar. We'll start by drawing a rough shape of the collar with some creases on the sides. And then we'll refine it by drawing the zipper and adding all the details, all the creases. We'll draw the zipper just like that. And here is the part where I fix the hair, making it a bit shorter. I think the hair that I drew earlier was more fitting to Naruto as a kid. Awesome, once we are done with that, we'll get rid of all the guidelines. And now we are going to go all over the lines with a black color pencil. So as you can see, I'm rotating the page so I can have my natural hand movement. I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip so I can have more control and so I can apply more pressure on the pencil. Awesome, once we are done with that, you can use this paper so you won't smear any of the lead. And by taking your HB2 pencil, we are going to mark the shaded areas. For this drawing, the main light source will come from the right side, which means that we'll have more shade on the left side. So right now I'm marking the shaded areas. And now we'll start the shading process. As you can see, I'm holding the pencil closer to the eraser and I'm adding layers of lead in the marked areas. Next, I want to get a brighter tone for the rest of the blank area, and I'll do that by not pushing as hard as before, that way I get a light tone. Awesome, next for the headband we'll use the black color pencil, again coloring in the direction of the shape. You can also use the HP2 pencil. And now we'll do the same process for the metal plate. As you can see, I'm leaving some blank areas just to get a nice highlight on the plate. We'll finish with the hair behind his head. And next we're going to color the face using the same method, coloring in the direction of the shape, starting with the darkest areas and then applying less pressure and getting a lighter tone. We will do the same process for the eyes. But this time, if you want to get a nice highlight, you can just take the eraser and clean some of that lead, just like that. Awesome, we'll continue to draw the skin tones. And as you can see, for the neck, I'm applying more pressure because I want to get a darker shade. That's because Naruto's face casting a shadow right there. Awesome, next for the shirt, we'll use the black color pencil again, using the same process as before, coloring in the direction of the shape and gradually go from the dark to the bright. Next we'll shade the zipper as well. And to finish up, all we have to do is clean all the lead. And I'm just gonna add one more line here. And we are done, everybody. This is how you draw Naruto. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how you did in the comment section. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week. And if you want to do more tutorials, check out my tutorials playlist. There's a link in the description box. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.